Hello, my friend. One moment, huh? One moment. Hello, good morning, my friends. Okay, hello, Rick. Nice to see you again. Okay, let's scan through the charts and then. Yes, today is really flipping a coin, my friend. But I do think that maybe not so volatile. I think they did report something already, though. I look at the market, it's like, it has strength to go up. So possibly, there are some things that we don't know, but then it has already been reported. Hey, by the way, this Cha Yi, not bad eh. How about the rest of the China stocks? Okay, Futu still going up. Not bad, not bad. Even HSI is also going up. Nice. Oh, Neo is aggressive. How to manage, Okay, I will take a look at our position very shortly. We'll manage them before, the real event starts. Okay, I think NVIDIA, right, there's this huge wick over here. I think this one is a false data. I checked with my broker. My broker doesn't have this though. Amazon. Okay. Okay, mic test. Okay, can. Google is strong, Microsoft. Yes, trading view sometimes, it's like a bug or something. Oracle. Well, Oracle, I think Oracle actually we can book everything now. Yep. Let's see. Palantir. Palantir actually not bad. I like it. MU is also quite nice. Okay lah, I think after the event, maybe by 10:15, 10:30, I think no movement already. Then more or less we can call it a day. PayPal nothing also. Yes, then we can ML. Really, I think after the event, likely really no movement. Do you know why IBM? Well, I don't know. I never checked though. Do you run any check? But so far our position is still okay. We have shifted to mostly most of them are all like consumer defensive and uh healthcare. They are those very safe stock when the market starts to plunge. So I think we are okay. Recently you can see right the whole portfolio like don't have any tech stock. PM. Did I went through no I haven't reached I haven't reached IBM, is it? Well, your INTU dumb a lot. Yeah, wasted, huh? Got earnings. If not, this one will turn out to be a good trade. Software side. Software side of the company not meeting expectations. Yeah, IBM. Do you know that IBM used to be like one of the Magnificent Seven? Like before the housing bubble. It was one of the Magnificent Seven though. And then you see where is IBM now. IBM, I think there was also one time, it almost, I think, exited the S&P 500. Yes, IBM used to be one of the Magnificent Seven. Number 8 is Broadcom. Wow, this one I don't know. Is it? I have no idea about this though. Why not? Why not Palantir? Why Broadcom? Actually, Broadcom is really strong. The stock is crazy though. Magnificent 7 plus 1. Okay. Interesting. Well, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Okay, I think FT and T, I might, just take it off. It's not moving. CCL is actually not bad also. But then this one, oh no, still can take. Okay. Yeah, but today I don't think I will take any positions unless after the news, maybe. As of right now, I just want to protect them. Marvel, nothing. Zoom. DDOG. TikTok block your comment. Okay. I look at Discord, no problem. Okay, I saw your chat over there. Yes, I will take off some position. Yeah, just some, then after that, yep, we see how it goes. Yeah, if today up or down, if we got profit, then good. If not, we take the loss. Next week, can reposition ourselves again. Yeah, but I hope today can go up a little bit, and then next week it starts to dump. That will be the best already. Okay, any stock over here I need to check. Oh, we have. Okay, wait, let me see. Wait, why is that? Oh, we have open. Oh, I also don't know whether to take it off or not. Tough choice. Okay, I think we can start to manage some of our position. Let's see, SPY is still going up. What about VIX? QQQ. This VIX looks a little bit scary. It looks like where I saw one part was quite similar. This part. It was the February-March period. This part, it just slowly climb all the way up. And then out of the sudden, the market just dumped. Okay. SPY is still going up though. My goodness. Three minutes. Yes, my friend. Interesting, interesting. It's going to be volatile lah. But what can we do? We have some positions and then hopefully they will do well. SPY is still going up. Okay, let's say. Okay, we start with okay, UNH all that I'm not that scared, especially for the healthcare stock. I think still okay. Okay, this one is not doing very well. FTNT. I think the first one I will cut is FTNT. Yeah, I think I will likely cut this off. Oracle. Yeah, I also don't feel like giving back the profit. So yeah, I think I want to TP all. I want to TP all for Oracle. IBM, let's see. IBM like going up OXY, okay, OXY we have already hold long enough already. Finally it did another bull flag, it's breaking out, it's fantastic. So OXY, okay. First one, Oracle. I think Oracle likely I will cut everything. Okay, maybe I can open a split screen here or something. Split screen, where's the split screen? Okay, split. Then this one I want to change to Oracle. Okay, I think market no, not yet. Yeah, likely the first one I will cut is Oracle. Hello, DJ Far. Okay, market open now. So, how's the reaction? No reaction. Is there any reaction? Okay, market dumping. Why? No leh. QQQ Okay, QQQ dumping. That means open is also dumping. Okay, I think we can close everything for open. And Oracle likely I think we can leave it. Where is 3.48? Okay. What else? Let's see. FT and here. FT and T is still not moving. Yeah, we need to minimize a bit. I will close FT and T as well. Let me see. The rest is fine, right? Yeah, our healthcare stock is fine. YXY also firing off. It's only the tech, I think. The tech are not doing well. Is it? We go back to SPY. Okay, SPY going up. But then QQQ not going anywhere. How's Tesla? Nvidia? Okay. Or AMD coming up. AMD is not bad though. The rest of our position, how is it? Oh, RIVM stop loss, yeah. Okay, can. RIVN. Oh, let me check. Yes, stop loss, yeah. Yeah, bad trade. Where did I put it? 100 SL. Really? Jovi doing you very, very good. Wow, congratulations, my friend. Jovi. Wow, nice, man, my friend. Very, very, very good. Yeah, I really think you also should close off some first. Okay, we also we don't left with a lot already. Okay, Oracle, how is Oracle? I also want to see. Oracle, okay. I think to be safe, we shift the stop loss for Oracle to here, about 234.15. So in the event if it really comes back, then we are just, book off all of the profit. Yeah, just put a very, very tight one. 234.2. Okay, the rest of our stock I think is fine. Yeah, is in profit already. 1:3. Congratulations, my friend. Nice, nice, nice. Good job, good job. Oh, market is strong though. You see, SPY is strong, supermarket. How is Palantir? Oh, this is nice, my friends. Meta, Google, EMD, NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA, I remember the data is not accurate. Let me check. NVIDIA. Yup. Wait. There's one more week here already. How come suddenly got this week liao? Oh, my broker is also showing this week already. 168. Yes, correct. It's this week. Oh, nice. It made a new low. Oh yes, it's real data, Rick. It's a real data. Yeah, I just noticed, the week on my broker also, so it's a real data. I thought it's a fake data because just now, I think pre-market or something, I went to check. It wasn't there though. Okay, so far I think everything is fine. Our position is fine. LLY, not bad. UNH, also good. And IBM. I think IBM is okay. Yeah, IBM is okay. OXY. I think OXY starts to go well. Yup, OXY finally starts to go well. Okay, good. Okay, we only left with one very dangerous position, which is not dangerous, We are in profit already, so it's very, very tight. No room for it to breathe already. If Oracle break this high, that's it, we are out. Just secure the profit, then we move on. Actually, I have one stock I'm quite interested to buy though. It's Meta. Rick, do you invest in Meta? Do you do investment in Meta? I like it though. Yeah, hood is also a little bit wasted. Yes, but only a bit. Okay. Yeah, hood is okay because it's at the trend line, This is the part where it starts to go back up. If not, from here it can dump. So we don't know what will happen. We have to wait until the speech later on. Okay, not long, about 70 minutes. Then the market might go into crazy mode now. Haha, Disney, you see? Disney, no breakout, it went up. So, this is like your running flat. Okay, this one we can delete. Disney is good lah. Okay, can. Go ahead. I'm thinking whether... Okay, I think I wait for the news. Then after that, maybe, if the news is good, possibly I want to do some investment. Is there something reporting already? How come SPY is so strong? I think they have already reported something. Let's see the news section. Okay, this time around will be the last time Powell will be speaking at Jackson Hole. It's his last term already. Next year May it will expire. So next year May we will change a new Fed chairman. SPY strong. I got a feeling before the speech the market moved so much. Possibly later on during the speech likely I think no movement already. Yeah, look at SPY. When it moves like that, likely, I think later on there's really no movement for the news, I think. It's crazy. Okay, okay, guys, I go and take water first. I come back, okay, because the news is coming in 14 minutes. Give me a moment, huh? My goodness, my friends. Oh my god, I closed off open too early. Ha 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 ha. Fuck. Open went up so much. Yeah. Wasted. Okay, but we still need to wait for the news, huh? Got news, man? What news? No news lah. Don't scare me lah. Oh, because I went to see. Then after that, I was thinking like how we should manage our position. Then, you know, what I want to do? I want to move them to break even. Okay, let's move. Okay, I want to shift OXY. I saw OXY. Okay, because whenever I go to the toilet, I'm more calm. I can think properly. I don't have to speak over here. So I sit down. Then after that, I look at my positions. Then I reanalyze again. Okay, we shift stop loss first, huh? OXY shift to 44.5. Finally, it's going now. OXY 44.5. Okay, shift your stop loss. Shift your stop loss. Okay, this is the first one. I want to shift 44.5. Okay. In case Boel says something stupid, then we protect our position. Okay, second one. Oracle don't need to shift. I think. Yeah, if Oracle is going up, then we just get out. IBM, I don't think IBM can shift though. Yeah, lor. Your LLY. Okay, I think I just leave it. Healthcare stock, I don't think it will be affected so much. Who got set up or not? Raymond likely I won't enter. I will wait until the speech is over. And then when the market is a little bit more calm, possible, I will do some investment. I think the first one I will do is, there are two that I really like. The first one is Palantir. The second one is Microsoft. But, no, second one is Meta. By the time, I also don't know whether it will fire off or not. Yeah, we also don't know the result for the speech, so we just have to wait. Now, just relax, chill. No, I'm not entering put. I want to buy for investment. But I want to see after the speech what happens first. But I still think that Palantir possibly can drop even more. But then, based on what is it doing, as long as it doesn't go off too much, I think even if I enter an investment or something, it should be pretty easy to get out of break even if it doesn't perform. Yes, I'm drinking coffee. You need the energy. Today, high impact, my friend. I'm here, ready to brace for the impact out. Tesla also going up. Nvidia, okay. I like the fact that Nvidia make a new low. But the pullback is still not enough though. Okay. So according to the chart that I sent inside the group just now, first target hit liao. Already there liao. 5 more minutes until the news. 5 more minutes, guys. Let's use the news channel. Let's see what the market does, okay, and what news is coming out. Are you all excited or not for the news? Oh, not bad. Coin is not bad. I think Bitcoin is also doing well. Is it? No, the Bitcoin is not. Okay, how is this? Hey, I like this. I like this. Okay, guys, let's take this trade. Let's take this trade. We take this first. Then after that, we decide later on. Okay. Okay, let me take this trade first. Okay, done. Now I see the difference. Haven't sent out. Is it processing or not? Did you send out? Oh, never sent out. Oh, I think lag or something. Okay, let me try again. Is the bot dead? No. How come? Oh, okay, done now. Just now I think gem or something. It didn't send out. Okay, can send now, my friends. Okay, done. Let's go. Okay, go back, spy. And 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Market is not doing well. One shot, we just close everything. Okay. I'm monitoring a few instruments right now, just waiting for that speech. Would drop a lot. Okay lah. Let it be. We need to look at that news. Now that one more important now. Yes, this month is really difficult to trade. A lot of break even, a lot of stop loss, small profit. The market is not trending too nicely, so there's nothing much we can do. Okay guys, just prepare, huh? If things is not doing well, we just close off everything. Chung chung chung. Ho ho! Let's go. Powell says something good, is it? Don't be too happy first, huh? Sometimes it can reverse, huh? ใจเย็นๆ little bit. Okay. So far, things are looking good. Okay. Good. Go. Okay. Guys, maybe I want to take Palantir. Let's do it. You just take a very small day trade. Okay, let's go. Oh, market is good, guys. Amazing. Fuyoyo. Let's go. To the moon, my friends. Okay, great. Okay, can. Our short all stop loss now. No problem. The long one are good. Yeah, but we don't have a lot of short, right? We only have like Oracle only, only left Oracle. The rest all we get out already. For your Powell last term, huh? He said something good, is it? What did he say? The news haven't come out, leh. Anyone listening to the speech as of right now can give me an update? Okay, hello, Cherry. I think Hood also U-turn up now, Raymond. Yes, you see, U-turn up now. Relax. Okay? Most importantly, just now is the news. The speech. Good job, lah, my friends. Fantastic. Yes, that's the reason why I always say we don't know what will happen until the news release. Yes, correct. You also don't really need to know, when you see SPY move like that, easily, you already know Powell say something good now. And using Eller wave analysis, we just wait lor. Every time just wait. Today I want to warm me blood because I post one thing about the Jackson Hole on my story. Wow, so many people texted me though, asked me about this and that. What do you think about this and that? How do I even know, man? If I know, I bet all my portfolio onto this speech already. Wow, but this is nice though. Tesla is flying. Nice. Open the door for a September rate cut. Okay, good. Yeah, they have already said it, I think since June or July. So it's not really that surprising, They say that they want to go for a rate cut. But then, same thing, we also don't know. Maybe by next month, things might change, and then they might decide not to cut anymore. Sometimes this happens. Yes, correct. Because one thing for sure is that although CPI is going up, but then if you really go and take a look, core CPI is not going up. Core CPI is still under 3%, so it's still safe. The Feds, they still have the leeway to cut interest rate. Unless it's above 3%, then they might be a little bit scared. Yeah, their dual mandate policy, right? Stable, Uh, the dual mandate is what Powell always like to say. Stable prices and low unemployment. Okay lah, market is good. Our position is good, guys. Congratulations. Nothing to worry liao, okay? Okay, Oracle, our short with TP everything out. See, good thing, right? You just shift your stop loss. You don't need to, guess anymore. 234.2. We only left 50%. Okay lah, also doesn't make a lot of difference from where we exited our first 50%. So it's still profit. Good lah. Okay. Oh, I forget that I keep talking until... Okay lah, I think no rush. No rush. Next week, if I like to, I can do some investment. For you. Ting ting ting. Beautiful. Yes, my friend. So this is the reason why you should follow the trading rule. Whenever we enter, we learn about corrections or that. Whenever we take trades, usually it fly off quite fast. If it doesn't move off, normally we are either wrong. If not, it does a larger consolidation, something like OXY. OXY, we have been inside here since this low, I think. And you can see, right, after breaking out, it doesn't fire off. It goes into consolidation again before it starts to go. So patience for OXY paid off. Nice, good job, guys. Really, really, really good job. Red cards. Yes, they say they open, They say they are more open. Wait. All my news are here already. Let me read first. Then I give you an update. Powell said unemployment rate still low. Condition allow us to proceed carefully as we consider changes to our policy stance. Sounds like Powell, no? Downside risk to the labor market is rising. The situation suggests downside risk to employment are rising. Labor market has softened in line with demand. Shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting policy. Decide to pair off some positions as market rise up. Situation suggests downside risk to employment rising. Wow, there's a lot of things coming in. Okay lah, no matter how it's good news, Hey guys, let's take one more day trade. Okay, let's go. Good job, my friends. Good job. Oh, OXY is nice. Okay, and take one more. Wait, my chart is not loading eh? My goodness. Okay, no problem. Okay, done. Okay lah, guys. Very, very soon. I think no more momentum already. Give it another 15 minutes or so. It should stuck around here for the whole day. Huh? No, I enter once only, right? Oh, I entered twice. My goodness. Okay. I update them. Okay. Wow, I got two. I also didn't realize. Yeah, you know my style. Actually, I don't really look at what positions I have inside my own portfolio. Normally, I just look at trading view chart only. So that's why it helps me to make objective reasoning, objective rationale, rather than looking at my own P&L. So this is normally what I do. So a lot of times, sometimes I don't even know like what positions I have, and then this is the mistake lah. It happens to me quite a lot of times already. Adobe AVGO. Okay lah, most importantly, make money can now. Yes. Guys, sometimes you need to remind me of all this. Oh, this one really out of my expectation. I really thought that it will go to the trend line area and then likely not much of a movement, but this is so much more. My goodness. Today going to break new all-time high. Huh? Okay, how's our IBM? IBM. Okay, not bad. OXY leh? Good. LLY. Well, OXY, I think we... Wow, OXY, how much is our RR? Let me check. Huh? Where did we first initially open this trade? OXY. Okay lah, RR still okay only. Yeah, I think can hold a little bit more before we take some partial profits. Yup. CrowdStrike, good. Palantir, good. Wow, TSM also good. Emet, good. QCOM, amazing. How about Berkshire? Berkshire is good. Not bad lah. Oh, Figma. Ôi, coming back แล้ว NVIDIA gone now. NVIDIA too far gone lah, I feel. Yeah, it's a little bit too far now. Yeah, open wasted, huh? I close off too early. Yeah, and Andrew, I think can wait for next week. Now a bit like no point to chase every day. I think likely the momentum is dead already. So today, from now, I don't think it will go anywhere. It will just remain around the same price. And likely we're going to end today somewhere around here. Yeah, open is wasted. Okay, open is a high risk stock lah, huh? So what to do? Yeah, yesterday I wanted to invest into it, but then I decided, okay lah, never mind, I just take a trade. You know, if you were to do investment, it's also not too bad. How's call with? Okay, not moving a lot. Still alright. Oh yes, BMNR. I've forgotten about it. Ah, fuck. Okay, but I kind of think that no rush for this trade. Which is lower? For 47.01, 47.02. Okay, I think this one can wait until next week. No rush. DD MPC. ARW, nothing. Oh, this coin is... Oh, this coin is volatile though. I also don't know what type of coin is this. But then it's volatile. Right now, you know how much is it or not? It's only 0.26 cents. Well, maybe I can do some research. I'm quite interested in this. Complexity. What is that? ALGO, okay. Decentralized, okay, good. What is this? High scalability, it can process large amount of transaction. Governance, okay. Y'all got open any like crypto, crypto broker or not? Because the one that I know is crypto.com. And Coinbase, is it Coinbase? I can't remember. Rick, have you tried using Interactive Broker to buy cryptocurrency before? How is the fees over there? Wait, wrong. Never mind. Oh, you never tried before. Okay, no worries. Okay, the fees, is it good or not? Oh, 0.18%. Not bad, this is good. 1 month is about 0.18%. Tiered commission structure. Oh, IBKR banned SG from trading crypto. Okay. Oh, you tried already. Okay. The market got U-turn meh? The market never U-turn, Raymond. Where you see the U-turn? This is not pulling back, my friend. It's normal. After such news, it will definitely pull back a little. Relax, my friend. Yeah, nothing to worry. This is normal. Yeah, after news, 15 minutes already. The market most likely no momentum now. Throughout the entire day, it will just be around here. likely, until market close. Yeah, this is not U-turn lah. U-turn is like U-turn is like that. Shoo, go down, break this low. This one is U-turn. How was the talk? Good, Quintin. Very, very good. Yes, Quintin is very, very good. Powell open to cutting interest rate next month. It's not surprising since core CPI is still below 3%, although CPI is above 3%, but then the core one, right, is not. So they still got the power to cut rates. So this one gives all the traders, investors confidence that the market there will be there will be more stimulation in the market, so it's good. Yeah, that's the most important sentence already. The rest, he loli loso say this and that. Did he say hello everyone? Huh? What you mean, my friend? Meta, yeah, I want to take, but then don't have set up though. Yeah, even the market move up a lot. Guys, be careful, huh? Right? We only left 1 week only. 1 week, huh? We are going to enter September liao. Hello everyone means cut rate. Afternoon means not cut rate. What do you mean, my friend? What? Huh? Hello everyone means cut rate. Afternoon means not cut rate. Really? Really? Oh, I never read that, friend. I normally, normally whatever I see online, the first thing I screenshot, I send into Perplexity. Perplexity say, it's not true, then I straight away skip out. Yeah, because in this modern world, there's too much fake news lah. Or I didn't read because you the moment you sent to me, I just crop the chart, and after that I go and ask AI. Oh, it's a joke. Okay. Later I go and see. I also don't understand just now. I also like, huh? What you mean? A meta for the riches. At least you can buy a few, right? Rick, I do think that you can buy a few. Yeah, then after that, just wait lah. I think it's better that we wait. 1 more week into September. Really, no rush at all. Oh, Ken. C. What is C though? What stock is? Oh, Citigroup. Okay. Citigroup. Wow, this Citigroup is strong eh. Oh, the last time I saw it was about $50 only. The new CEO doing a fantastic job. Do you all see something funny or not? Citigroup, after the housing bubble, it didn't recover at all. But if we go back to JPM, how's JPM? Oh, JPM is good. Okay. Housing bubble is around here. Wow, JPM went up so much. This is like how many percent? 1,800%. But this Citigroup is not there. Is there any reason or not? This is interesting. What? Potato, you maybe want to go and research more about Citigroup. If there's a good potential, possibly, right? If you get some pullback, you can start to buy this and hold for long term though. Maybe can become another JPM. Yeah, but I think today really no momentum already. So likely today it will just be around this area. And then next week, just wait for that consolidation, then you can start buying. Still below my previous highs. No worry, Quintin. After you get out, you will do better. Hello, Hazel. Hazel must be very, very happy. Really no momentum now. Damn. Market did. It's not moving. Oh, you can't hear you watching movie. Okay, can. No problem. Amazon, the next one that I'm interested in. If we get some pullback, possibly we can try to buy Amazon also. Tesla breaking out. Spy. QQQ. Yeah, really needs to wait until next week. Next week, I think it will be much clearer. Now really no momentum already. Okay, Bitcoin shot up. ETH, ho, my friend, ETH went up so much. So BMNR is also flying. No leh. It's not flying. Is it lagging behind? Okay, wait. Let me see what long-term investment I have. Oh, I bought already. BMNR. Okay. Oh, it's in profit already. Yeah. Okay. I bought now. Okay, nice. Oh, I thought I didn't buy though. Oh, I bought 21st. So it's yesterday lah. Did I type the date wrongly or what? Oh, yeah. I bought, I think, yesterday. Okay. Wow, I cannot find open. Need to type. Open fly so much. I go exit everything. How am call we? Okay lor. Like weak. Figma. Oh, Figma is coming. Rick, you got buy Figma or not? Wow, this one like. Did you all buy Figma? Pretty much useless. Oh, you did lah. Okay. Can wait for a little bit lah. You also buy a bit. Okay. Good. Yeah, I also buy a bit only. Initially, I wanted to buy about 50,000. Then after that, when I look at this one, I like, GG, my friend. I am not very confident, so I lowered it all the way to $10,000 only. So my account is different. I have been rolling for many years already. So you guys now starts to understand already, right? Why I always says that after IPO, when it dump, right, normally it will break this, the IPO price over here. Then after it will go into like this type of consolidation for a long time. Possibly, this one might not even be done yet. Maybe it will go up here a little bit, then it starts to go down, go a little bit, go down. Then one fine day, you'll see a huge spike. Then after it starts to do this again. Like repeat this process here. So I don't know whether this will happen or not. Just to be on the safer side. That's why I reduce my risk by a lot. Really a lot. Oracle, we shorted it. Hey, Oracle, Quentin, Oracle, we got out already. Like, we shift stop loss and we are out already. You are still inside. Don't tell me you're still inside. We are out, my friend. We shorted. Then after that, just now before the news, we shift our stop loss to here. Yeah, so when the news triggered, it just spiked up. Then after it triggered us, we all got out already. Oh, you buy back? Okay. Can. I thought you still inside. Don't scare me, my friend. Oh, okay. How to get out? You need to buy back. Yes, buy back. Yes, you need to buy back. Buy back the amount of shares that you sold. Yes, open, no choice. Just now was because of volatility. I can only tell you, really, nobody knows where's the direction. So it's very simple. You see, guys, I show you this. Well, I really don't like going to the second screen though. Every time I go there, suddenly it will just like, okay, so I show you SPY over here, and then you look at this chart. Okay, you look at, don't know you all can see or not, like very small. Okay, let me try to make larger. Can make larger or not? Okay, can you see like, wait. Yep, so I say that SPY, just now SPY was somewhere here. So I say that, possibly it come here, after that it starts to drop. But then who knows, it has a huge breakout like that. So can we forecast accurately? Definitely no. You can see, right? I forecast, I say it will come to maybe the trend line, and then possibly it can go down. But then I say I think it's quite possible we might see this in SPY. Unless it broke out of the trend line and consolidate a little, possibly it can go even higher from next week. So I just tell everyone something like that. Wait, how do I bring this back? Oh. Hood we got out already. Queen we got out already. We exited our short sale. Yeah, I think we booked some profit and the rest I think came back to take us out for break even. FTNT we also closed out. We closed I think somewhere here a very very slight loss like 0.1 0.2% of the account. It was very very near to our entry. I think like 10 cent or 20 cents difference, so I just closed it off. Yeah, Rick, you also can learn another new lesson. You know that we are breaking out of structure, right? And then what did I do? I did something aggressive again. Luckily, we never take like the full loss or what. Okay, we just take a very, very minimum loss. Then just now there was one more. We did the same thing also. RIVN. This one we really take that loss. Okay, so it's another mistake. So y'all can see, right, following the rules that I given to you guys is the best course of action already. Yeah, if you follow the rules, it really save you. It really save you from all this bad trade. You know, uh, like you save 1%, 0.5% here and there. As time goes by, it could accumulate into a lot. But sometimes it works wonder, but sometimes it doesn't. Especially when you break the rule, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yes, so it's also another good learning lesson. Rick, you know, sometimes you can do your own analysis also, like what you did for Joby, you know, you did your own analysis for Joby is fantastic though. This shot is not bad. And then what else? I remember you took net also. Net, is it good? Okay, I think you have already booked your profit or something, right? Wow, why J and J go where? Fly out? Why? What happened to J and J? Are you inside or something? Okay, good. Yeah, Quentin, you need to follow a little bit more closely, huh? Because I think Hood we exit at least yesterday or at least 2 days already, I think. Oh no, you okay, Rick, you thinking to short, huh? Oh, you thinking to short, huh? I think you don't short this stock, huh? You know Johnson & Johnson is a very powerful company. It does a lot of things though. Even your medicine, all that, your pharmaceutical, they are also doing, huh? They don't just do toilet bowl, you know? I just be okay. You want to short can? I think for a day trade or it's also quite possible. I do think that possibly it can pull back because you can see, right, it came to somewhere here. This one is quite a strong resistance. So if you're looking for short term, I think okay. Should be good. Everything with the name Johnson, quite strong one. I hope so. I hope so. And Johnson & Johnson is really a huge company. Initially, I also didn't know that they do medicine or that or pharmaceutical. Was until I work in the hospital. Then I said, "Oi, how come all the very good medicines are all being supplied by Johnson & Johnson?" I thought they only do like toilet bowl or something. Do the baby lotion, all that. That was like, more than maybe about um, 13, 14 years ago. Tesla went up by so much. Should I cut loss? What do you do, user? What do you do to Tesla? Oh, you shorted at 321. 321. Why you shorted here though? Okay. Wow, this one is quite tough. Tesla is quite a volatile stock. Hopefully next week you see it coming back a little bit. If it comes back a little bit, possibly right, you can try to get out. But I can tell you Tesla sometimes, okay, Tesla is a, why I say that it's volatile. Possibly it can only give you a pullback, something like that. Okay, then it's very quick. If you don't cut it, shortly after that, it will just spike again. So just be a little bit more careful on this part. Yeah, I do think that next week likely there will be some pullback. Like I can't give you a guaranteed answer, but at least minimally, I do think that there will be some pullback. Okay. Hello, Mr. William. Long time no see. My friend is in Johnson and Johnson. Thought they sold Johnson consumer range. Oh, I don't know, Quinty. I don't know. I never followed this company. I only know because it was like, when you're still very young, like in your 20s or in your teenage years, you always thought that Johnson and Johnson do all the baby shampoo, do toilet bowl, something like that. So it was until I worked inside a hospital because I graduate in physiotherapy, right? So after I worked there, I just start to see, all the medicine, right, are all made by Johnson and Johnson. So that's when I start to know, oh, okay, this company don't just do toilet bowl. Ayo, Mr. William, what happened to you? What you said? Tempted to close it today, huh? Okay, it's actually up to your own risk. Okay, when you shorted at 321, where do you place your stop loss? Or you have no stop loss? Or you got no exit plan? If you have an exit plan, try to follow it, 短痛不如长痛啊，是吗？Yeah, for me, I will always have a trading plan. Like just now, one of my stock also got stop out. It was the RIVN. I did a short, and then I couldn't move it to break even because I think I did it yesterday or something. Yeah, so this is trading. Like you need to have a exit plan. Yes, Mr. William, I got very good trades, my friend. Really a lot of very good trades. The account I think should be looking fine, right? Wow, good lah. Today I'm up about how many percent? Today I'm up about 5.65%. One day only, 5.65. Fantastic lah. Good. Yeah, you see, even taking a loss, all that, you still can up. You'll see, right? It's like I took a loss on RIVN, and what else? What else I took a loss? There was one more. Oh, FT&T. FT&T is a very, very small one. I only lost like maybe 0.1% or 0.2% of the account. And then the rest are all in profit. So good lah. Why I up so much? I think partly because of OXY. I think OXY. Okay, my this account is also like a bit achipalia already, you know. I did a mistake. I shouldn't have lumped all the high risk instrument like those 2x leverage ETF, like your what, your Figma, your call with your BMNR, all into the public account. That was my mistake. That's why partly also because of all that they are moving. So that's why I'm up a little bit more. Yeah, that's why I need to start another fresh new 100k account. That 100k account is to do all the high risk stuff lah. Then after that, the what the public account is to do what I normally do day in day out. So I have to do that. But likely, I think maybe end of September or something, I will start that brand new 100k account. Oh, you up 6k ah? Wow, nice job lah, Quintin. Good job, my friend. MNST. MNST. Yeah, sorry. The public portfolio is a little bit achipalia right now, really. I also don't know how to manage them. I'm trying to find solution. Once I get out of everything, I will just resume what I do day in, day out. Oh, this one is Monster leh. The Monster drink. I think this company is successful though. I tried their drink, is awesome, my friend. Can fight with Coca-Cola. Okay, thank you for this sticker. Okay, potato, I do think that temporarily you can see, right? Today market so strong, but then is not going up. Possibly this one can be a good shot. Yeah, but wait for the confirmation, then take the shot. Wow, I want to add this into my watch list. MN what MNST Monster. Oh, you still, or you queuing Okay. For me, I normally just do a market order. A lot of times when I send, those trades into the group, by the time I take it, my entry, most of the time is worse than what I send to you guys. Oh, Neo, yes, Neo went up a lot, $6 liao. Good lah. Neo, it's been a while, since we see such a huge spike in Neo. But don't be too happy first, because if you just looking back at the historical data of Neo, right, you can see multiple huge spike. Here also another one. And if you compare the other three, right, this one is still considered quite small. So you can see possibly if Neo is not progressing or really give you a very huge move to the upside, possibly this spike can be also smaller than the previous one, and then from here it can start to dump again. So I don't know whether this will happen or not, but not just give it more time. You should be able to tell. Yes, Andrew, I do think so. Possibly next week might be the last one already. Yeah, if you all look back at one of the market update video, I've forgotten which one was it. It was very similar to one of the seasonality that I show it to you guys. Right now, SPY movement is really quite similar. My next target, I think possibly about 655 to 6. I think 657. Wait, let me double confirm. Yeah, I think 657 to about 660, and that should be more or less about it already. Okay, can, Andrew. Hope you are making good money, huh, Andrew? Hey guys, I'm very free already. If you all have questions, can go ahead and ask. Huh? The market really got nothing else. Okay, user, you worried that it goes up to 350, huh? 350, I think it's likely though, it's likely, especially for Tesla. If you next week you see some consolidation, I think it really will start to fly out. So be careful on that part. Yeah, if it really starts to fly, I think it can go up quite fast though. Yeah, you can see, right, the historical chart of Tesla, you just look at this part. Every single time when it starts to go it in between, it doesn't give you a lot of pullback. So if you do get one opportunity, try to get out. See, there's one more here. It's all the very, very, very small ones. Uh, it's also possible. It's a complex D wave. Actually, complex D wave. Yeah, but I haven't really used MACD to check though. But it's still possible. It's still possible. Yeah, sometimes it develops into something very complex. What we can do is that we just take the most simplest strategy is to just wait for the pullback, then we start to buy again. That is the simplest formula. It's simple, but then it's powerful. Normally, you see me doing that a lot of times. Something like Palantir also. Then next one, I think it's Crowd also. It's exactly the same thing, right? You don't see me trying to pick the bottom or that. I just identify, then after that, I like to combine with wave theory, FVG, wait for this type of setup, then it starts to go. That's why you don't have to know when the market will bottom, because when it bottoms, a lot of times it will tell you. It will be very clear. Then from there, you just get, Can people like Powell invest or trade in the stock market? I cannot, because it's unfair. They have all the insider news. Powell also knows what he's going to talk. He knows that. He just say okay, I'm open to cutting interest rate next month. Then he go and ask all his family go and buy first. Then tell everyone that he's going to mention this in his speech. Then all his family, his friends, all that will definitely make money, right? Oh, Figma and Lulu. Figma, I think nothing to worry. Figma, you just wait for a little bit more. I think likely Figma, you need to wait about 2-3 weeks at least 2-3 weeks. If Figma doesn't perform from here, about 2 to 3 weeks on, in about 2 to 3 weeks, if it doesn't perform, possibly I will just cut it off. Because why? Okay, Quentin, I think you never see me showing you this before, but then we can go to Palantir. I show you on Palantir. We all agree that Palantir is a very strong stock, right? It's like crazy, right? But then you all look at Palantir. The moment Palantir IPO, right? It has been a hype for a very, very long time. Okay, so look at Palantir. Let me show you this part. Well, I just want to zoom out and see all the data. Okay, you look over here. Palantir IPO here, it went up. After that, what happens? It starts to do this. All the way until this low here. So can we also say that Figma might do something like that? It's also quite possible, right? That's why I'm waiting. And Figma right now, Figma if you were to use Polenta as an example, is somehow like at this area as of right now. That's why I think you need about at least 2 weeks to 3 weeks to see whether we get this or not. If we get this, possibly I will hold it a little bit longer, then I see what it does. If it doesn't, my goodness, maybe I really want to cut it off. Lulu. Lulu looks good. Lulu is good, my friend. This one looks really, really good. I think that Lulu should be going up already, so I don't think you need to worry too much. This one is a nice setup though. It's really, really nice. If next week there's a good setup, possibly I will start buying Lulu as well. Okay lah, guys, we stream for... Okay, no problem. Let me go to toilet first, okay? I come back shortly. Okay, I'm back. Okay, Raymond, I saw your message. One moment, huh? Okay, okay, Raymond, one of the reason is because you bought, if I'm not wrong, let me see. Okay, because you bought Changi and you bought Bit, Bit, BMNR. These two, right? If I'm not wrong, they give you very little leverage only. Yeah. And BMNR, right? If I'm not okay, BMNR in Momo, right? Zero leverage. So you're using pure hard cash to buy. Okay. Then Changi, the bubble tea, how to pronounce? Changi. Changi. Chaji. Is it Chaji? I think it's called Chaji. Chaji. Okay, Chaji. Okay. That Chaji, okay? Uh, that one is also very low leverage. Your marginable rate is 70% only. If it's 50%, right, that means they give you about 1:2 leverage. But then 70%, I'm not too sure how much is it. Like, I think maybe slightly 1:1.5 or something. Wait, I have you ask. Yeah, I think it's about 1:1.4 maybe. Yeah, so you use very, very little. 1:1.4 only. You can see, right? 1 is to here. Sorry. Here. Ne? Around here. So you need to take a look at the marginable rate, which is the reason why some of the stock I don't trade them, because you need to use a lot of margin. You can see, right? For example, you buy 10,000, you need to use 7,000 of your own uh, cash. But then if you buy stock like Nvidia or that, their marginable rate is good. I think about 30% or something. So they're giving you uh, about almost 1:3, I think. Yeah, you can see, right? If it's 50%, that means you have 2x leverage. So same thing for interactive broker. So you need to go and check also. That's why you feel like you run out of margin very, very quickly because you're using a lot of cash. Yes, you increase your, but then it's because of the marginable rate. But Palantir, the marginable rate is good, so you don't have to worry about that. Palantir right now, yeah, they give 55%. 55, so almost 1:2. But then if you go and take a look at Nvidia or that, wow, it's fantastic, my friend. Nvidia is 40%, but some of them is like 25, 30% also have, what stock? Maybe Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft is 35%. Meta leh? Meta 45. Okay, like at least got 1:2 is more than good enough. That's why I like to buy the Magnificent 7. Because I use lesser money, I can open more positions. Wow, Amazon fly off so far. Okay lah, no problem. We wait until next week. Next week, possibly we try to enter Amazon. How is Meta? If Meta never go off too far, a bit too far lah. I wanted to do an investment in Meta. Yes, so those high risk one are usually deemed by the broker, especially those higher risk one, they tend to give you lower leverage. Like BMNR is a super high risk stock, that's why they give you zero leverage. Those stock that you don't see the marginable rate for Momo, right? You don't see that word over there, That means it's zero leverage. The rest keep keeping. Yes, correct. Because a BNNR, you need to use your own cash. When you run out of cash, you cannot buy. Although the margin, that portion is tells you maybe you can buy 500 shares or 10,000 shares or that, right? You cannot use that to buy BMNR. So if you understand all this, you can work around your broker much more easier, which is the very reason why you should. Okay, Raymond, you also did another mistake, I think, because you bought BMNR in your margin account. You shouldn't have done that. You should use it in your cash account. Yeah, because there are reasons why, I split up into margin and cash account, because I also put all this into consideration. Usually, the first thing for me is the high risk cash account, low risk trading account. By doing that, you can open a lot of positions though. Like right now, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 positions. And all of them are in profit. Good, right? I still got margin. I still have margin. Oh, your cash account max out. Okay, can. Yeah, if that's the case, those that, if I say is investment, right, if you can't take it, then it's okay, just skip it. Especially those high risk one. They have the potential to help you to grow a lot, but then you also need to be careful when you use a margin account. Things might change really abruptly. Yes, IBK are very generous with margin, really very generous. It's unlike Momo. Momo makes about 1 is to 2.5 around there. Some stock you can find maybe 1 is to 3, but IBKR standard they give you 1 is to 4. But with high margin, you also need to know how to calculate your risk. If you don't know, for your my friend, GG, really GG. BMNR is nice lah, because I saw that Ethereum is moving, so possibly BMNR also can fly. It's nice, right? You can see one classic example. Yes, I think Raymond also don't really. I think you know how to use already right now, that broker. Most importantly is that whatever you do, go according to your trading plan, go according to your strategy. So you can see, right, even for myself, like I forecast for SPY, I do think that possibly I did something like that. Just now, before this news, I forecast it will come up here, after it will start to drop. But then we don't see that. In the end, what did we do? We started to buy. So forecast is forecast, but then whatever trades you take, go according to the trading plan. Forecast, it just gives you a general idea, a good idea where likely is going to go. But doesn't mean you have to be right to make money. I think by now you're also quite used to it already. And this month we've been through a few news events like what? CPI, PPI, NFP. Right now, that time was what? FOMC. And then right now, the Jackson Hole speech. You can see a lot of times we really don't know what will happen to the market. Most importantly is that you just watch it, let it develop, then you make your next course of action. Yes. So do you need to time the bottom to buy? No, right? Buying here not late, what? you catch a falling knife, it's like how and when do you know it will stop dropping? Yes, I also hope there's no news, but then this is the fun part about trading lah. Now when you come into this market, everything is uncertainty. There's no right or correct answer. You just need to embrace uncertainty. It's very different from your job or your business where, the more productive, the more knowledgeable you are, you'll make money. But then in trading, it's really like there's too much uncertainty already. You seriously don't understand where the market will go next. So we take trades that we understand. We know that there's a higher probability of winning, then we just take the trade. If we need to take the loss, we just take the loss. We'll move on and then find another trade. Yes, after it will be good lah. Next week I also think will be good, a good week. Where this FOMC push the market like wow, man, it's really wow, fantastic. Okay, next week we got any big news or not? Usually the last week is also quite quiet. Yeah, GDP lor. GDP, I don't think it will be that impactful. Somehow is on Thursday. PCE, I think likely also not very impactful already. Yeah, other than that, next week should be quite a peaceful week. Then it should slowly trend up higher and higher. At least minimally for next week. SPY going to make new all-time high in one day. My goodness. Okay, it started where? Huh? Where did it start today? Okay, start here. Today, SPY, the highest it went up 1.61%. Yes, Nvidia earnings next Tuesday. After such a huge move, I really got a feeling Nvidia, the earnings, it will beat earnings 100%. But then I still think that it will drop. Possibly it will drop. But Nvidia so far, let's see. Okay, this one also trending up a little bit. Instead, after earnings, it gap up even more. How about here? This one, okay, we need to find things, when it's trending, what happens. Okay, also quite possible, this Nvidia always exceed expectation by a lot. Also quite possible. You can see, right, this one is like a huge move to the upside, and then it beats earnings. Suddenly the next day is here, and then it just keep going up for another at least about 2.5 months. Also quite possible. It's really quite possible, This Nvidia is crazy. This one, it didn't go anywhere. Oh no, this one it gap up. After such a huge move already, consolidated a little bit. Next earnings, it gap up. Quite possible. Nvidia might repeat this as well. Wow, Richard, I really don't know. I can only tell earnings is really speculative. I seriously have no idea. Oh, yes, I saw that news about the China one. I think China is also a big client of Nvidia. Losing one big fish, I don't know how much it will impact Nvidia though. The only scary thing is that Nvidia come out with their own graphic card with all that All the super good AI, the software that's on par with NVIDIA, I think that's when things get scary. You got try, the China GPU before now. I go and look on YouTube review. Some of them say that it's quite good. Although the software is not that great. Something like got to do with all the what ray tracing lah, all that. I think Rick, you understand this part more than me lah. Yeah, I know around that 10% range, yes. For now, NVIDIA is definitely still, number one in making GPU. You only don't know what will happen in the next 5 years, 10 years, whether China will catch up or not. Because if you go and read on YouTube, I go to YouTube, go and see those reviews for their GPU, those China make one are really, the specs are on par. Hardware specs, but software is lagging behind by a lot. Because NVIDIA, they spend billions every single year just on research. Yes, correct. But you also know, right? China is also another powerhouse, so we have no idea whether they will overtake them or not. But for now, at least, I think the next 3 years to 5 years, it should be quite safe. You have a very unique name. Windy. Oh, okay, windy. Okay. Nice, very unique. My first time seeing that. Hey, I thought our healthcare stock fire off, like it's not moving, my friend. Everything move. Healthcare not moving. Hi. But it's okay, I think we can continue to hold. It's something like we do for OXY. We buy them in case the market dump or something, they will start to move. Okay, where did I set TP for OXY? Okay, I set at almost $50. Okay, I think I will leave it there. Don't have to shift it now. But you don't have a lot of healthcare stock, right? Just now, I think you sent me a portfolio. You have healthcare stock, man. You only got 4 positions. You got 0 healthcare, my friend. Oh, Raymond, and one more thing is that, what's that called? What's that called, huh? Okay, all the broker, they have this thing called T-1. So whenever you exit a position, especially I think if you hold more than 1 day or something like that, whenever you exit already, some of your margin will still be locked up. And then one trading day later, right, it will unlock, so you will have a little bit more margin again. Yeah, if not for Momo, that day, you remember inside the group, I sent in one instruction to teach you guys how to increase your margin limit. You can try the option also, see whether they can increase for you or not. Yeah, it's very fast. It's like 2 hours. Just take as much as you can. Because no matter how, when you trade, the max you lose about 1%, 0.5% each trade under normal market condition. Unless you know it gaps above or below your stop loss, then that's a different case. But normally should be quite easy to manage lah. So you don't have to worry so much on that. Oh, you did already. Did they increase for you? Wow, today good. 6.16% now. Oh, good day lah. 6.16% in one day. This feeling is exactly the same as the tariff period. Okay. At least increase a little is also good. Then you grow your account maybe every 10% or 20%, go and increase again. Keep repeating that process. Okay lah guys, we stream until 11:30, okay? Good day. And then I will see you guys next week. So any last questions, last thoughts? Trying to break even from my whole month losses. How come this month you are negative leh? You shouldn't be negative, right? What do you do again, Raymond? A lot of that kena stop loss. Earlier this month. Oh, okay. I remember because your stop loss went missing. Okay. Because you set the wrong stop loss. Okay. I understand already. Okay, at least you learn a lesson. Right now you know how to use your broker better. Yeah, it's very important to know how to use it. Okay, understood. No worries. This month if you can break even is not bad, you know. Then after that, next month will be another tough trading month again. Then just do your best, and then possibly towards end of September or something, we will try to accumulate more positions. Okay, one manual, one bracket. Okay, good. But remember, you know, every time you close off a trade, all that, remember to go and close it off. Close off your pending orders. If not, when you sleep or something, it might also get triggered. Yeah, you practice for a while, you'll get very fast at it. Okay lah, this month I'm also up quite a lot now. I'm happy. But I'm just very amazed. One day, 6%. My goodness. Mine already 6.1. Let me see again. Huh? Is it coming back down or something? I haven't taken a screenshot. Later I want to post. I want to say thank you, Powell. Or 6.53% now. 6.56. Okay, I want to take a screenshot. I'll say thank you, Powell. Where the percentage? Oh, okay. Momo got this very cute thing. Okay, nice. Fantastic, fantastic. What gives me the most? Let me see. Actually, I don't. Oh, okay. Wait. I need to look at the money, right? Yeah, because you know my account, I cannot see the P&L one. I need to go into settings to tick them. Wait, let me set it. Hey, where is it? Okay, the highest one, right? Is the 2x ETF for NVIDIA. Yeah, that one is the highest. Then the rest is like the core width is also not bad. And BMNR also. So these three. Yeah, because I'm testing out some high risk stuff on the public account. That's why I didn't send inside as of right now. Let me test a little bit more. When I'm more confident, right, I will send it to you guys. Yes, or the 2x ETF, something like that. But so far, I look at it, it's really not bad. But then you need to be more prepared in a sense that when you have drawdown, your risk is higher. About one, normally, like let's say you risk 1%, right? This time around, your risk will be about 2%. So imagine if you take 5 consecutive loss, that will be about 10% already. But I do think that is doable as long as the market condition is not too bad. We are not in a bear market. I really think that it can work though. Especially with our strategy, we have a very, very good system where we can identify where more or less the market will, temporarily hit a bottom or something. That's when we go into X. Yeah, so the public account is a little bit weird as of right now. When I look at it, this is very different from how I trade. So right now, when I look at it, I'm also confused. I can only tell you I'm confused. Yes, because of Ethereum, my friend. So y'all can see, right, based on the strategy alone, do you have to pick the bottom to buy a stock? Don't need, right? Just go according to the strategy. Your entry price is also fantastic. But of course, there are times I will pick the bottom when uh such as those market where they tank at least about 5 to 10% or 10% and above. That's when I will do that. But normally, like this type of short, small move, I like this type of small move like that. Normally, I don't try to pick them because sometimes it can go down even lower, a little bit similar to this. You can see, right, this move compared to this one is like considered small though. Although, this week is volatile, but then it's still considered small. And if you think that this move up is huge, right? If you just, use this from here to around here, you go and measure this as compared to back then here. This up move is also considered small. But of course, it's still, fast. It move up much more faster than here. Okay, guys, any last question? If not, we can end the live stream already. Go and have an early break. Then I'll see you guys next week. Yes, I did for Nvidia only. The my main account only for Nvidia. Okay, bye bye, Windy. Good night. Take care. No. I got a stop loss. The risk is 2%. So just now, when it was somewhere around here, it fulfills our criteria. So I just took it already. Yeah, I have a stop loss. I think I placed my stop loss somewhere around here, I think. Yes, just entered only. Next time, Joe, you also. Okay, can. But Rick, you need to be prepared. It's really the losses is much higher than. I tried a few times. I can tell you, it's not easy to control, and especially when you go into drawdown, and when it gap. When you have a gap, okay, your losses is going to be much larger. That's when, right, you will feel that you don't want to cut the loss. Then you will think that possibly you will tell yourself, like, you try to lie to yourself or something. Nvidia maybe can go down a little bit, then after it will start to go up. But then at times you might not see this. At times it can just plunge all the way down very, very quickly. So you need to deploy the 2x ETF on different market condition. Yep. So Rick, I do believe you are quite strict with that. So far, I haven't, hear that you remove your stop loss. So if you are someone who likes to not respect your stop loss, right, 2x ETF is not for you. Really, I can tell you that. Okay, why? Let me show you one example. Can you guys take a look over here for Nvidia? Is there any earnings? No earnings, right? But why gap down so much? Okay, go and do a bit of research about this. And then you need to ask yourself, if someday you are trading, out of a sudden you are doing 2x ETF, suddenly the next day, without earnings, without nothing, no updates, suddenly it just plunge. It just drop like that. It closed here, market open around here, it dropped about 12.5%. Can you take it or not? Your heart can take it or not? What will you do at this point of time? Will you tell yourself that possibly it can continue to recover? If not, this can drop even lower? So I put all this into consideration first. That's why I do understand the risk. So if I want to take lightly, I'll just mention it on live stream. Until I'm more confident in the strategy, then I will share it with you guys. But I can tell you, there will be a time where I will ask, or I will advocate, I will tell all of you, go and buy 2x ETF. There will come, this time will come, okay? It will definitely come when the market starts to plunge. Hello, Random. Hello, Adrian. Wow, long time no see, Wow, today only, Today only, The RR is about 1:3. Random, you removed your stop loss, is it? That's why you panic? Yes, Random. I trying on both public account and my own trading account, but I understand the risk over there. And I can tell you one thing for sure, why you should respect your stop loss is because, right, a lot of times those 2x ETF, especially if you're using Momo, the marginable rate is way too low already. When it starts to dump, if you DCA, you will die very, very badly. But if you're using interactive broker or that, you maybe can survive, but then you need to be prepared. Your account might draw down 40, 50, 60, 70%. But I will give you guys a safer method to do it. Not something crazy where your account will goes into drawdown like more than 15%, that type. I think if you're doing like 2x, 3x ETF, if your drawdown is about 10 to 15%, I think it's fine. But then don't go anything above that. Anything above that, you are in a very dangerous zone already. It's the Tesla one now. Okay, but you are making money in Tesla already, right? Right now, it came all the way back. Is it making money already? Well, I forget it. Where did we enter? Are you still inside or you exit already? Oh, you exited now. Okay. Not bad. Good move lah. Really, nobody knows that whether this is the bottom or whether this is the top already. So we need more data first. You too afraid. Were you here when the event started or you just came on late? Oh, you just came. Okay. Okay, just now was quite fun lah. I also forgotten what we do just now. What did we do? We bought some stock. Hopefully it will start to go. Hopefully. Yeah, because it was the very, I think, 10 second, 15 second or something, the moment I start to see, the market moving up or something like that, I start to, do those day trades, starts to enter in. Because there was a earlier sign way before, way before the event, right? SPY already came all the way here. It was powerful though. Then after the moment the event starts, like only 10, 15 seconds, I saw it starting to move quite aggressively. I start to do day trade now. Okay. Quintin, can. Yeah, there are two sets of placing of your stop loss and managing your position. price action strategy, you will learn one, and then when you go into Elliott wave lesson, you will learn another one. The style that I'm doing right usually is using Elliott wave. It all depends on market condition. You deploy different strategy. Even you can look at SPY, right? SPY also came quite nicely, considered not bad. It came to the EMA 20 and then it starts to fire off. Okay, guys, this is my last. Where is the pullback? Random, what do you mean by that? Okay. Yes, that's the thing. I also not too sure, man. But then right now, as of right now, this one looks like you're running flat and then it starts to go already. Yes, but you know, usually, okay, because based on my own experience, I know that about 70% of the chance August is not a very good month, but this month is fantastic already, considered fantastic. Okay, so we have roughly about one more week to go. After next week, September, just be extremely careful. September, a lot of times there are those funny events. Something will happen to the market. It just suddenly dump, like out of a sudden. And if we were to see that, right, possibly we might take some loss here and there. Then after that, maybe end of September, we try to reposition again. Just another topic question. Today is start of 7 month. Well, I don't know, friend. I'm not superstitious on that. Maybe I need to go and pray a little also. Is it now is 7月了啊？7月。Oh, really? Today first day 12 a.m. Oh, okay. Maybe tomorrow I will go to temple or something. Ha 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 ha! Random, you scared Walao, I tell you if me, I don't know if I were to see one or something, maybe I'll ask them for 4D number or total number. Okay, Choi, touch wood, okay? Yes. Which stock will 10x? You think CoreWeave will 10x or not? I go and read about it. So far, those high risk one that I took, I think CoreWeave and Figma is the most potential ones. Then what if they say in next life your soul belongs to me? Do you still want to do it? Okay lah, guys, we go non already. Okay, today good day, Adrian. Later on, come and join us in ML. Okay, tonight we're going to play a little bit, enjoy ourselves, and then I will see you guys next week. Hazel watching movie with the boyfriend, with the husband. Okay, good night, Richard. See you next week. Okay, can. You want to come now or you come later? Rick, are you done or not? You're funny, really funny. Okay, okay, can random when you home let us know. Okay, the next one, the possibly might be a good trade is BBAI, but then it's okay lah. We talk about it next week. Quintin, I cannot go drink lah, my friend. I go drink, I drink with you. I come back, my wife will kill me. Somehow I live very far from you. I stay at Jurong East, my friend. Someday, okay, someday maybe weekend or something. Possibly can bring my wife along. The one I like east side. East side the best side, okay? No, west side the best side. And you know most of the students here all stay in the west area. Yeah lah, yeah lah. I need to bring her over the weekend or something lah. Over the weekend still possible. Weekday I will die. Wow, Quintin, this one I so far she never reply me. I help you to follow up tomorrow again, okay? Sorry about that. My LL is problematic, really, really problematic. Okay, tomorrow I follow up with her, then I let you know again. If really no reply or what, you just go to case. Okay, Quintin, I follow up with you tomorrow. Then for the rest of you over here, we'll end the live stream, okay? Thank you so much for coming. I will see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Bye bye. Good night.